Obuyaba nakwasibwa obushumuruzo bw'ekizimbe ky'omu butongore Vice Chancellor w'itendekero Professor Paul Nbyachikachiwika yasiima gavumenti hamwe n'ekitongore kya NEC ahabw'okubombekera ekizimbe eki konka yashobora kuba kiine ekyetengo eky'ebindi bizimbe ahabw'obufunda kuguma nibweyongyera.
Government of Uganda for giving us this structure. As must, Mbarara University of Science and Technology, we are heavily constrained with space. We have a lot of capacity to develop our education programs, and we also have an increasing number of students. However, we are constrained by lack of space. So this new structure is the Faculty of Computing and Informatics. It has been housed in a small structure at our main campus, and we are very, very glad that it has been completed. So the Faculty of Computing and Informatics is going to officially move into their home. However, this does not solve all our problems as must, because as you know, we have many other faculties and they are all heavily constrained.
Itendekero eri riine obufunda omu faculties zitari zimwe na zimwe zirimu Faculty of Medicine, Faculty of Science hamwe na Administration block. Professor Byachika nagira ngu obufunda obu nibucumbagiza obuheereza omu itendekero eri atyo nikwo kwehanangiriza gavumenti kwimukiramu.
Faculty of Science that is also heavily constrained, and we also lack an administration block. So we are praying and working hard and advocating and calling out to the government of Uganda to look into our infrastructure needs. If we improve infrastructure, we improve the learning environment and we improve the quality of teaching and quality of learning.
Ariyo muhandiiki w'itendekero eri yasiima gavumenti hamwe n'ekitongore kya NEC ahabw'omurimo omurungi.
With the handover today, we are grateful to the government, we are grateful to the management and board of NEC, and as must, we look forward to many more engagements, especially in the area of infrastructure development. We have a huge campus around Chumro here, and we have plans for development, planning to shift the Faculty of Science from the town campus to Chumro. We're already undertaking designs, and after that, we look forward to engaging NEC again.
Omurimo gw'okwombeka ekizimbe eki gukatandika omwaka gw'2029 ahabwa sente ziri kwingana bilioni 11 omu mitendera ebiri.
From 2017 to 2019, and it cost around 3.8 billion, and that included building the structural frame and walls and roofing, and also the first fixes for electromechanical installations.
Obuyaba nayanjura itendekero eri omurimo ogu Engineer Ahabw'Obufuunda or General Manager NEC Construction Works and Engineering Limited yahiga itendekero eri okutaho sente z'okurindirira ekizimbe eki aha mutindo.
Ekyombeko eki twakikwasa Mbarara University erizooba kandi itwe n'okushaba kwitu kugira ngu ekyombeko bakikuume omu embeera ei twakibahiiramu. Twashaba University Management eteekeho ka budget okureebeka ngu baguma maintaining ekizimbe kugira ngu kisavinga abeegi emyaka mingi munonga. Ekizimbe eki nikija kuba nikishomerwamu abeegi abarikushoma ebya karimagezi. Amakuru agagasha kwa Martin Nebye aba Sky Television ag'enshonga omuri Mbarara.